Hi guys, welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Alright, in today's class, I'll be talking about the Taylor and the Maclaurin series. So, what is the Taylor series? A Taylor series is a representation of function as an infinite sum of terms that are calculated from the value of the function derivative. So one of the important things you need to know there is that it is calculated from the what? From the value of the what? Of the function derivative at a single point. And we'll be seeing the application of this definition on some of our example today. The Taylor series formula is given as f of x equals to summation of x from n equals 0 from n equals 1 from n equals 0 to infinity. So the formula, the expression of this formula is what I'm going to write out in this place. So the formula is f of x equal to f of e, because this one is 0, then I only have f of e. So where this n under this place, the n for this is for the n under this means the derivative. The n is the derivative term, the number of derivative. Then the n on this other a is power. I get what I'm saying now. So we have f of a plus f prime of a multiplied by what? X minus a raised to power what? 1 over what? 1 factorial. Can you see that now? Plus f prime of e x minus what? E over what? 2 factorial raised to power what? 2. Then plus f prime of e multiplied by x minus e raised to power 3 over 3 factorial plus plus f raised to power n of a x minus a raised to power n over n factorial. So you can see the expression. So you can see that when this one is 3 derivative, then I have power 3 here, then I have 3 factorial here. So that is the expression of this our Taylor series function. Alright, so now what is the Maclaurin series? A Maclaurin series is a Taylor series at x equals 0. So when the value of our x is 0, then it is what? It is a Maclaurin series. So these are some of the basic Maclaurin series. We have for exponential, we have for sin x. For exponential, it is what? 1 plus x over 2 factorial plus x cubed over 3 factorial plus up to x raised to power n over what? N factorial. And then for sine, it is x minus x raised to power 3 over 3 factorial plus x raised to power 5 over 5 factorial minus x raised to power 7 over what? 7 factorial plus up to summation from n equals 0 of minus 1 raised to power n multiplied by what? X raised to power 2n plus 1 over what? 2n plus 1. Alright? Then we have for cos x also, which is also as that. So we want to do some examples on Taylor series now. In my next class, I'll be talking about the basic Maclaurin series, and I'll be showing you how you can solve these 3 examples out. But for today, we want to focus on this Taylor series expansion. Alright, so for the first example, we have f of x equal to x minus x raised to power 3 at x equals what? Minus 2. Now the first thing you must note is that your x here, don't forget we said there that it is a power center that at point what? A. And you see that in our formula we have a. Can you see that now? So this your x here, your x is equal to what? Your a, which is equal to what? Minus 2. So wherever you see a in this formula, you are going to represent it as what? Minus 2. Can you see that now? So the first thing you need to do is to do f of x, which is what? X minus x raised to power 3. Then you now do f of a. Your a is what? Minus 2. So you put minus 2 here. If you put minus 2 here, you are going to have minus 2 minus 2 raised to power 3, which will give you what? 6. Are you getting that now? Because this is minus 2, this will give you minus 8. Minus times minus will give plus 8, minus 2 plus 8 will give you 6. Then the next thing, you differentiate this now. If you differentiate this, you are going to have what? 1 minus 3x squared. Then if you do that, you are going to have f of minus 2, f prime of minus 2, which give you what? 1 minus 3 into minus 2 all squared. Minus 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 3 times 4 is what? Minus 12. And 1 minus 12 give you what? Minus 11. I see what I'm doing now. Then f prime prime of x. F prime prime of x now, you are going to differentiate this again. If you differentiate this now, you will have what? Minus 6x. Are you seeing that now? Then you now do f prime prime of minus 2 also. F prime prime of minus 2 will be what? Minus 6 into minus 2, which will give you what? 12. Then you go again, f prime 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 of x, the third derivative, until you get 0. I guess I'm saying now, until you get 0. So if you differentiate this again, you are going to have about minus 6. Then f prime 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 of minus 2 will also give us what? Minus 6. Then f of power 4. Now when you get to 4, you can start using Roman figure to represent it. So of x, if you differentiate this, you get what? 0. And so the derivative, the function will also be 0. So now I have all the things I need to do. So let's continue on this part. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So to finish that up, now you know that I now have my value. Now these are the things you need. These are the only things you need. Don't forget I said that the values are gotten from what? From the derivative. So it is these 4 values that I am going to be using. I am going to be representing them in anywhere I see f of a in this place. So our f of x will now be what? F of a. What is your f of a here? Your f of a is what? 6. So you write 6 plus f prime of a. Your f prime of a, you can see f prime of a, which is what? Minus 11. So we have minus 11, open bracket, x minus a. What is your a? Minus 2 over what? 1 factorial. You can see that now. Plus f prime prime. What's the f prime prime? 12. Then what? X minus minus 2 again. You can see just the same thing you have here. You'll be repeating it. Then power 2 over 2 factorial. Then plus f prime prime prime, which is the third derivative. That's what? Minus 6. Let me put this in bracket. So minus 6. Then x minus f minus 2 always power 3 over what? 3 factorial. Then plus what? There is no that thing, so 0. I don't need to write 0. So now your final answer on that, what? F of x equal to what? 6 plus and minus is what? Minus 11 open bracket. This one give you what? X plus 2 over what? 1 factorial plus 12 x minus times plus, and minus and minus will give you plus 2 raised power 2 over what? 2 factorial. Then plus what? Minus times plus, that will give us minus. Then 6 x plus 2 raised power what? 3 over 3 factorial. So you can decide to leave your answer like this, and you can also decide to further. If you further more, you are going to have 6 minus 11 x plus 2, because 1 factorial is 1. Then plus 2 factorial is 2. 2 here 6. So you have 6 x plus what? 2 raised power 2. Then 3 factorial is 6. 6 times, 6 going in 6, that's 1. So we have this one to be at minus x plus 2 raised power what? 3. So this is the Taylor series expansion of this x minus x raised to power 3. Do we understand that now? So let's go to the next example. For the next example, we have f of x to be equal to 2x plus x raised to power 4 at x equals 1. Don't forget I said you are going to be differentiating until you get 0. So your f of x is 2x plus x raised to power 4. Then your f of 1 will be what? 2 into 1 plus 1 raised power what? 4, which will give you what? 3. Because 2 times 1 is 2, 1 raised power 4 is 1, that's 3. Then f prime of x will give you what? 2 plus 4 x raised power what? 3. Then f prime of 1 will give me what? 2 plus 4 into 1 raised power 3, which give me what? 6. Because 4 raised power 1, 4 times 1 raised power 3 is 4. 2 plus 4, 6. Then the next one, f prime prime of x, which give us what? 12x raised power what? 2. Then f prime prime of 1 will give me what? This 12, then this 2. So this is 12 into 1 square, which is to give us what? 12. Then f prime 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 of x, which give us what? 24x. Then f prime 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 of 1 will give us what? 24 times 1, which will give us what? 24. Alright, I hope you are following what I'm doing. So you can pause the video and continue doing it on your own as I do mine also. Alright, so you can get the complete process of doing this. So the next thing, we are not looking at differentiation. So I need to differentiate one more time. So if I differentiate one more time, I'm going to have what? F prime prime prime, f Roman figure 4 of x, which will give me what? If I differentiate 24x, I will have what? 24. Then f prime f raised power 4 of my 1 will also be what? 24. Then f fifth of x will give me what? 0, and f fifth of x of 1 rather will give me what? 0. So now I'm done with my differentiation now. Then I need to put it into my what? Into my formula. Don't forget, let me write the formula again. The formula is what? F of x. You should have mastered it by now, which is f of a plus f prime of a multiplied by x minus a over 1 factorial plus f prime prime of a x minus a raised power 2 over 2 factorial plus dot 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 plus f raised power n of a over x minus a raised power n over n factorial. You see, the Taylor series is a very, very sweet formula to master, right? So let's finish this. Then I'm going to have f of x to be equal to, what's your f of e? Your f of e is what? 3. Can you see that now? 3 plus f prime of e, 6, multiplied by what? X minus, what's your e? Your e is what? 1. So that's x minus 1 over 1. So you already notice that this will be what? It will be repeating. Like what I'm saying, it will be repeating itself. So plus the next value, which is what? 12. That's f prime prime. F prime prime, which is 12. So 12 multiplied by what? X minus 1 raised power 2 over 2 factorial plus next value is what? 24. So we have 24 x minus e. Okay, let me write that here. So plus 24 x minus what? 1 raised by what? 3 over what? 3 factorial. I've done for 24. Then the last one, which is what? F prime prime prime. F raised power 4, which is what? Also 24 of x minus what? 1 raised power what? 4 over 4 factorial. Alright? So after that, then you are done. The only thing left for you to do is to do the division. So your f of x will now be equal to what? 3 plus 6 x minus 1 plus 2 factorial is 2, so 2 here is 6. So you have 6 x minus 1 raised power 2. Then plus this one is what? 3. This is 6, because that's 3 times 2 times 1, that's 6. 6 here 1, 6 here 4. So we have 4 x minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 4 factorial is 4 times 3, 12. 3 times 4, 4 times 3 times 2, that's 12 times 2, that's 24. So 24 cancel 24, then I have what? X minus 1 raised to power 4. So this will be my Taylor series expansion. So I believe this video has been of help to you. Before you go, don't forget to click on the subscription button, like and share this video. And if peradventure you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section. I'll be there to give you the right answer to that doubt you have. So thank you very much for staying, and don't forget to share this video to a friend. See you in the next class. Thank you.